Welcome to the Digital Transformations Project. In this short video, I'd like to show you how you can add a link to a Mediasite recording or lecture within a document in Ultra. So let's log in and get started. So today I'm using my sandpit to show you how you can do this. And what I've done is I've copied a document from the subject called Ultra Essentials into my sandpit so I can demonstrate this without changing anything within the actual subject. Now I've pre-prepared a section of this document where I want to add my new video. So as you can see here, I have a specific section where I've left myself a reminder of where I want to put the link to my video. And I'd just like to mention that the sections in documents can be quite useful. They allow you to edit a specific portion of a document without running the risk of, for example, accidentally deleting or losing part of your content, which you didn't really want to touch anyway. How you do this is you click on the plus and you choose what you want to do in that separate section. But the point of this video today is to add that Mediasite link within this section of the document. So let's hit edit and let's get this done. You can either highlight a piece of text where you want that link to be, or you can just click in the location of the document where it's going to live. Today, I'm going to choose to highlight this text, and it doesn't really matter exactly what it is since you can't change it later. Then we go to the drop-down arrow right beside the plus sign on your toolbar and click on Insert Edit LTI Item. This launches the Content Market where you'll find the Mediasite content selection. Click on that and it should launch Mediasite and display a link to your presentations. So once it launches Mediasite, you want to click on Presentation so your list can come up. Now, I don't have the presentation I specifically want to put in that part of the document because I'm recording it right now. So I'm going to choose another one. Let's say Transform, Virtual Onboarding. Choose Embed, Presentation Link. Now here is where you can choose the display name of that link. So exactly what it's going to be called in your document. I'm happy with Transform, Virtual Onboarding Presentation. So I'm going to click Insert and there is my link. So if you like, you can wrap some text around it. I'm going to say, please watch the following video. And then I can save my document. And what you have here is a link that launches a video in a separate tab. Let's test it out. And here we go. So I'm going to close that one. And there we go. My document is finished. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful.